Greetings for the day. Today we are going to discuss about Maxwell's third equation. Let us consider 2 points A and B, and if we consider a charge plus Q exists on point A, if we are moving that point charge from A to B and then back from B to A, then the net work done in moving the charge from A to B and then from B to A will be equal to 0, that is VAB plus VBA is equal to 0, or simply consider it as in the circuits form, such as if in battery means we will write two terminals of the battery A and B and the positive terminal, negative terminal. If we are considering from in case of battery convention, if we are considering from negative to positive, it will be considered as plus VAB, which can be written as minus VBA plus VAB, which is equal to minus VBA. Potential of A with respect to B plus potential of A with respect to B, which is equal to negative of potential of B with respect to A. This is simple circuits concept only. So from both means we get that VAB plus VBA equal to 0, that is closed integral of E dot dl equal to 0. This is actually a simple derivation from EMF. VAB can be written as negative of line integral of A to B E vector dot dl vector. This is the derivation which is available in the EMF textbooks that you can refer. So VAB plus VBA equal to 0 can be written as closed line integral of E dot dl equal to 0. So by expanding it in Stokes theorem we will study in the second sem vector calculus mathematics. By expanding that same closed line integral of E dot dl equal to 0 by Stokes theorem, we will write it as surface integral of del cross E dot ds vector, which is equal to 0. From the above discussion it is clear. So if this is 0 means ds vector cannot be 0, so del cross E must be equal to 0. Whenever del cross some vector is nothing but curl. This is also from vector calculus only. Del cross some vector we will call it as curl. When curl of some vector is 0 means we will call that vector as conservative vector or irrotational vector. Here del cross E vector equal to 0, so electrostatic field E vector is conservative or irrotational. This is nothing but Maxwell's third equation, and all that up to that we have discussed is nothing but static fields only. By discussing the same concept in the time varying field, we will came across with Faraday's laws, that is closed line integral of E dot dl vector. Here E vector is nothing but time varying electric field, that is electrodynamic field or time varying electric field. Closed line integral of time varying electric field dot dx vector equal to minus dou b by dou t of ds. That is nothing but whenever electric field linked with whenever a magnetic field linked with the conductor changes, an electric field will be induced or voltage will be induced. Induced EMF will be equal to rate of change of magnetic field. That is simply we can explain it as, if a conductor is like that, and if we are moving a magnet north pole south pole, and if we are rotating the magnet, or if we are moving the conductor, if we are rotating the conductor or if we are moving the conductor means an EMF will be induced in this conductor. This is nothing but Faraday's law. That only we are writing in the equation form as VEMF, which is equal to VEMF can be written as closed line integral of E dot dl, that we saw here only. So that will be equal to minus of dou b by dou t into ds vector, that is rate of change of magnetic flux. Induced EMF is equal to rate of change of magnetic flux. Here this minus comes from Lenz's law. So this equation combines both Faraday's law and Lenz's law. Induced EMF is proportional to rate of change of flux linkages is Faraday's law. That will be negative is nothing but Lenz's law. So by applying Stokes theorem for this equation, above equation means surface integral of del cross E dot ds vector will be equal to this only. Since closed line integral of E dot dl vector can be written as surface integral of del cross E dot ds. So this del cross E dot ds we are replacing this one, which will be equal to minus surface integral of rate of change of magnetic flux ds vector. So here ds vector both are equal means we can equate that inside parameters. This is from the basic integration rule. that is del cross E equal to minus dou B by dou T. This is the Maxwell's equation for time varying electric field, and it states that time varying electric field is not conservative. So there will be a net work done in moving a charge in a closed loop whenever time varying electric field is considered. This is the simple statement of Maxwell's third equation. Thank you.